In recent years, the Earth haven't been doing pretty well. It's been going through an increasing amount of disasters per year. The idea of there being a disaster that would wipe out the whole population is becoming more and more vivid. In order to combat the next extinction event, scientists have been undergoing multiple attempts to find signs of life outside our planet. For many years, the Earth has been believed and known to be the only planet worthy to hold life. This is thanks to the magnetic field surrounding us, protecting us from deadly radiation bombarded to us from the sun. The idea of having life outside of the Earth, somewhere far in space, have baffled scientists for centuries. For many years, they have been searching for the perfect second Earth. But in recent days, we have found our candidate, Europa. One out of the 13 moons of Jupiter has convinced scientists about there being life out there. Europa is pretty unique as a moon. Unlike other moons, it has no craters. This is because, unlike other moons whose crusts are made out of regolith, Europa's crust is made out of ice. The whole celestial body is covered by an ocean of ice. Surprisingly enough, under the icy layer is liquid water. This is thanks to Jupiter's strong gravitational pull, helped by the pull from the other moons neighboring it. The collision in the mantle creates heat hot enough to preserve the ocean in liquid state, despite being far away from the sun. Scientists have also found out that the planet is constantly being bombarded with methane and hydrogen peroxide from Jupiter's ring system. These compounds have the ability to sustain life. Europa has also long been developed, which means there is a higher chance that life have long been developed. If scientists actually found life somewhere out there, this could have them excel in fields like medicine, and also help them to fight diseases that have long been the culprit to millions of deaths, like cancer. Finding a second location of life would also provide a place for us to retreat from the dying planet in the future. NASA have been configuring plans to send a Voyager to Europa to collect some samples from the moon in order to retrieve life from the distant moon. If they do find life, who knows what they could look like?